As an architectural element, the hood over the cooking center represents one of the key opportunities in the kitchen to make a unique and impressive design statement. At Dura Supreme Cabinetry, our master craftsmen build each hood one at a time using a combination of high-tech machinery and time-honored hand craftsmanship. With our wood hood program, you can pick and choose from countless hood styles, canopy options, panel styles, valences, mantel shelves, and storage options, all with beautiful scale and proportion. Choose from Dura Supreme's wide array of styles, finishes, wood species, and materials to create a truly custom look. Our popular modern hoods are sleek and simple, with a streamlined design, well-suited for transitional and soft contemporary looks. While our classic mantel hoods are known for their grand elegance and make a statement in traditional to transitional styled homes, your Dura Supreme kitchen designer will guide you through the selections to create a stunning look for your kitchen cabinetry. Stop by your local Dura Supreme showroom to learn more.